guys, welcome back to my channel, AnjelMae. For today's video, I'm going to do a simple Valentine makeup look. So this is requested by MIKO Ong. Ito. Sabi niya, Sisi Labs request po, simple Valentine's makeup look po. Gumawa ako ng orange. Very simple lang siya, pero parang sa tingin ko hindi siya simple. Pero anyway, kung bago ko pa lang dito sa aking channel, huwag mo kalimutang ipindot ang subscribe button at i-click mo na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa tuwing ako ay may bagong upload. So, huwag na natin patagalin. Tara na sa ating makeup look. First thing that I'm going to do is to moisturize my face. I'm going to use my Wet Coat Moisturizing Emulsion.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight.
Next is primer. I'll be using my L'Oreal True Match Blur Cream.
Back here in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me.
So next is foundation. I will be using my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Cover in the shades of 230.
And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP. A shower at a truck.
Next is eyebrow. I will be using my Magic Professional E03 Medium Brown.
In back here, in back here, back here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Run away with me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You never know if you never go. So run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy. Lady Liberty ain't throwing us a wink or is she? Travel light.
Next, I will be using my faux color palette. And I'm going to use this shade.
Say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City.
Next, I'm going to put my concealer now. I will be using my favorite L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shades of 322. The next, bake na natin siya. Gagamitin ko tong Maybelline Loose Powder in the shades of Light 01. Easy Contour Palette. I'm going to use my Beauty Glaze Colorboard palette, and I will be using the shade. Next, I am using the same palette and the same brush. I'll be using this yellow shade here. I'm going to use my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I will be using this orange shimmer here, and I'm going to put it on the center of my lid. Mascara, I'm going to use my CoverGirl Full Lash Blue Mascara. And then next, blend ko lang itong aking contour, nose contour. Blush on, I will be using my Savvy Classic Blush. Lipstick, I will be using my Flash Moment lipstick. Next is highlighter. I forgot to put my highlighter. Next is lashes. I will be using my NYX Wicked Lashes. So, ayan. Thank you for watching. Sana sis Miko Ong nagustuhan mo itong ginawa kong makeup look. And if you also like it, guys, please let me know by clicking the like button, subscribe if you want more from my channel, and click the bell button on to be updated every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!